Starting a printing company can be an exciting venture. You have the creativity, the ambition, and the drive. But where do you begin? Let's break it down and get you on your way to turning those ideas into a thriving business. First things first, know your market. What type of printing services are you looking to offer? From business cards to banners, there's a wide range of possibilities. Think about what your local businesses might need, or maybe tap into the online market. It's like picking your favorite pizza topping. Choose what works best for you. Once you've decided, it's time to get your business legally set up. That means choosing a business structure. You might go for an LLC or maybe a corporation. Each has its perks and pitfalls. And hey, if you're feeling overwhelmed, legalregistration.com can help you with all the nitty-gritty. They're the go-to folks for setting up your business legally. Now let's talk equipment. This is where you'll invest a chunk of your resources. You'll need a good quality printer, computers, design software, and possibly a cutting machine. It's like buying new gadgets. Exciting, but ensure you get what fits your needs and budget. You'll also need to establish relationships with suppliers for your materials. Whether it's paper, ink, or other printing supplies, having reliable vendors is key to ensuring the quality and efficiency of your service. Look for suppliers who offer competitive pricing and can deliver on time, so you don't have to worry about stock shortages affecting your production. Don't forget location. Are you running this from home, or are you setting up a shop? If you're in a bustling area, a storefront might be a great idea, but starting from home can save on costs. Weigh your options like you'd weigh the pros and cons of vacation spots. Next up, pricing your services. This is crucial. You want to be competitive, but also cover your costs and make a profit. Look at what others are charging and adjust accordingly. It's like the Goldilocks principle, not too high, not too low, just right. Marketing is your next big step. Spread the word about your new adventure. Use social media, create a website, and maybe even some good old-fashioned flyers. Engage with your community and let them know why you're the best choice for their printing needs. It's all about creating connections. Lastly, customer service is king. Treat your customers like royalty. Happy customers are repeat customers, and they'll spread the word faster than any ad. Keep them coming back with quality service and a friendly smile. There you have it, a roadmap to starting your own printing company. It's a journey filled with learning and growth, but with determination, you can make it a success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more business tips. And remember, legalregistration.com is here to assist with your business needs. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 to get started today. Happy printing!